Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I want to show you all my newest hobby. Y'all know I like making things, beautiful things, artwork and stuff like that. I've taken up diamond painting. You heard me right. Those of you who have never heard of that before, it's a cross between paint by number and cross stitch. Okay, let me show you. I just finished this diamond painting. Look at that. Y'all can't see how beautiful it is on camera, but it sparkles. The shimmer is amazing. I'm trying to get y'all to see it, but you can't. I mean, it just sparkles. Any way the light hits it, I mean, it just sparkles. And it's fun, and it's good for, I mean, it's stress relieving. Now, it's tedious to some people because they can't see themselves putting these dots, these beads. These are beads. Each dot you see here is a bead, and it really picks up the light. And you have to use this thing. You have to use this wax. Sort of like putting nail gems on your fingernails. You dip the thing in there and then pick up the diamond or something and put it on your nail. Y'all know. It comes with a little tray to put the beads in. Of course, I had to upgrade from this little bitty tray and this thing. And these beads are called drills. So, I just bought a light pad to do my diamond paintings on. So I can see the letters. See, it's on there perfectly. I have the A3 size light pad, and this diamond painting canvas is 40 by 30 centimeters. I'm going to show you what comes in the kit. I'm going to unwrap a kit. This particular set that I bought, it came with 6 diamond paintings. So I did one, so I got 5 left. Good price. Like I say, everything you need to finish a painting like that, diamond painting. It comes like this, packaged up very nicely. Okay, this is what this picture looks like. It comes with the table or the key right here on the side. It tells you what number or letter goes with what color. And the numbers and letters are printed on the canvas itself. So that's what it's going to look like when it's all finished, but it'll be sparkly and beautiful. And you can frame it. I'm going to show you the beads, but they call them drills. These are the beads. Everything you need to work with is in this package. Just a minute. Okay, just got off the phone. People calling wishing me happy Mother's Day, so my daughters can talk. But anyway, I was in the midst of telling y'all, showing y'all the beads that come with each kit. This is the picture I showed you. The different colored trees, they're pretty. This is the picture that I finished. It only took me 3 days to finish this, and it's so sparkly and glittery. Let me see if y'all can see it with the light on. No, you can't see it. Really, really pretty. And 6 kits came in this particular package that I got. So I did one, I got 5 left. Okay, everything comes with it that you're gonna need. So these are the beads. They're called drills. I'm still gonna call them beads because they beads. Let me open this. I'm gonna show you how they come. They're numbered. Can't see them, but they have a style number. It has it right there where it says number. I don't know if you can see this up here or not. Just in case you should happen to open up two kits at the same time, you'll know by the style number how to differentiate what beads go with what picture. Okay? So the style number is on the picture itself, and the style number is on the whole pack, on each pack of beads. Plus, the first number on here, like the number 1, it has a key on the side. It tells you what color number 1 is. In this case, it's black. Number 2 is red. So you just find the packet that corresponds with the number. Here's number 1, that's black. Here's the red, that's number 2. And so on and so on. And that painting, that diamond painting, will use up all these beads or drills. And what I do is I dump out the beads. Like I got this label number 1. I dump number 1's beads in here because I'm gonna have to dump these out in something else. This is from the drill the painting I just did. So I'm gonna have to dump those out. And if I want to renumber the these little containers, I just wipe this off with alcohol and it come right off. All right. So I will do an unboxing of my diamond painting accessory kit later in another video. But I done got hooked. I like it. It's very relaxing. Release the stress. Okay, so I'm gonna hold up my picture. I finished my newest hobby that I love. My first ever diamond painting. Okay. Y'all have a blessed day. Thanks for watching. And please give me thumbs up. You know what? I'm going to leave the link to everything I talked about in this video. I'll leave it in my description box. And even this light box, light pad. This makes it easier to do diamond paintings. You can be in a dark room and you put the diamond painting on here, and the letters and numbers will show up. Okay, it's time to go. Thanks for watching. Y'all be blessed.